Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reduce the hardware reserved RAM in Windows. First, check your current RAM allocation. Right-click the taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and select Memory. If you see a large portion labeled Hardware Reserved, continue with the steps. Click the Start button and open Run. Type msconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, open the Boot tab, then click Advanced Options. Check the box labeled Maximum Memory. Set it to the highest value shown, then click OK and restart your computer. After the restart, open Run again and type devmgmt.msc to open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. If you have an integrated graphics card along with a dedicated one, the integrated card may be reserving memory. Right-click the integrated card and choose Disable if you are using a dedicated graphics card as your main GPU. Now check if your RAM usage has improved. Open Task Manager again and review the memory section. The hardware reserve number should be lower. Finally, ensure you are using a 64-bit version of Windows. A 32-bit system cannot use more than 4 GB of RAM properly. Thanks for watching.